And contestant number 3, Miss Fernandisa Montero. Okay, good evening. Excuse me. What is your color? Okay, that's it. Okay, palakpakan natin.
Diribay, ayag-ayag, diribay. Agay! Lang. Meet ba?
She is 17 years old and her motto is life is a wonderful gift that no one can buy. And her ideal man is handsome, kailangan guwapo. Okay? Handsome, kind, matangkad, and also concerned with me. Okay, so here's your question. Please ask the question. Dito ng Master Technical Training Center Incorporated, search for Miss Pioneer. Question, kung pipiliin ka sa dalawang bagay na ito, ang maging maganda pero mahirap, contestant number 2, Fernandisa Montero. Contestant number 3, Miss Rachel May Maaba.
Yatis! Pagkanju! Delita!
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, okay, thank you sa siguro tanan. Wala nagtanan ng dito. Wala nagtanan sa mga. Okay, so brother.